All right, what's up, guys? I'm in my wife's Chrysler, 2013 Chrysler 200, and here, let me get out the driveway right quick. Um, I don't find out what's wrong with this mug until I get in here and drive it, man. She'll drive it with all kind of crazy stuff going on, but let me see if y'all can hear that. When I go over little bumps, let me try to find some bumps. Uh-oh, I don't want this car to think I'm trying to run him off the road. I know. Hear that? Yeah, it's making a. I get in here and ask her like, how long it's been doing that? Oh, it's been doing that a while. So what I was gonna have to wait to get a call while you and the wheel done came off or something. But no noises when I make turns, so I know it's not a CV axle problem. I already replaced the struts or the shocks. I did that about 4 or 5 months ago. So I don't know if that's a sway bar, but I feel like it's on the right hand side. I feel like it's coming from the middle of the car. But it's basically when, yeah, go over. Man, it's acting like it don't wanna. There we go. It's definitely on that right side. So I'm gonna go ahead and park it. Oh, I got too close to the. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is go out here and try to like I said, I was hearing it on this right side, so wonder if I would do a. Let me pop the hood. Yeah, she has the 3.6 motor. Yeah, she got the 3.6 motor. So six cylinder motor. She got the bigger motor. I'm going to push up and down. Man, I don't hear nothing when I push up and down on it. So my next step is I'm gonna have to take that tire out. I thought for sure once I pushed up and down on it, you know, it would reveal something, but that revealed nothing. I mean, I get nothing. Like I said, I changed the struts. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna have to go in here and see what's up.